Eskritor AI Review. Is it worth it as an AI writing assistant? So Eskritor AI is a multilingual AI-powered writing assistant designed to streamline content creation. Whether you're drafting blog posts, social media captions, academic essays, or marketing copy, it offers features like AI generation, editing, paraphrasing, chat assistance, and templates, which is available across multiple platforms. So the pros of Eskritor AI is it has multilingual support and templates. It has a versatile and efficient writing. It also offers cross-platform availability across different devices. And it is good productivity and even has user experiences reports. And lastly, it offers flexible pricing with free tiers. The downside is though, or the cons of it, is there are credit-based limitations. It has mixed mobile app reviews and there are some internet dependency, so it doesn't work offline. So Square AI is a strong choice if you want a flexible, multilingual AI writing tool that handles everything from drawing to editing and you value cross-device access.